Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we're gonna talk about how to hide followers and your followings list on Instagram. So let's hop into Instagram. And what you're gonna do is you're going to your own profile, click on this, and then you're going to the three lines at the right top, click on that. And after that you go to settings. And once you're here, you're gonna look for the privacy button. Click on it, and as you can see here, I'm not having a private account. If I click on it, you can see creator accounts can be private because I'm on a professional account. So let's click on OK, and then let's go back. Here you go, and let's tap on account, third from below, and then scroll all the way down. And let's switch account type, the blue button. And here I'm going to choose to switch to personal account. And then I click on switch to personal account. This means it can take 5 to 10 seconds. You'll just have to wait. So as you can see, I'm switched to a personal account. So I'm going back to privacy. Here you go. I'm going to click on private account. And click on the blue button, switch to private. Here you go. It takes some time. I can always check if it already happens. Not yet, so I'm clicking another time on the three lines. Go to settings, go to privacy, and click another time. Yes, I just needed one more click. So it's on a private account right now. And if I go to my own profile, yes. So as you can see, I have 1 follower and 9 followings. I can see them, but my followers can't see them, and I can show you by going to another account. Here you go. I'm going to this one, and I'm going to search for my own account. It's this one. Let's unfollow this. Unfollow. So as you can see, it says this account is private, this account is private, and I can't click on the followers and following list. It doesn't do anything. So this means that only my followers can see my followers and following list. If we are not a connection, you can't see anything. Unfortunately, there's no way that you can hide your followers and following list for everyone, also including your already followers. That's not possible. You only can hide them from strangers. I hope this helped. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask. Thank you.